From football to finances, our next guest is tackling it all. Fresh off his Super Bowl appearance, Ndamukong Suh of the Philadelphia Eagles is no stranger to defense on the field, but it's a financial defense off the field that brings him here to Fast Money. The Suh Family Foundation recently partnering with Intuit to launch a financial literacy program for high school students around the country. Ndamukong joins us now. Ndamukong, great to have you with us. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me, as always.
First of all, of course, our condolences on your loss in the Super Bowl, but it was still a feat to make it there in and of itself. Tell me about this financial literacy push, Ndamukong. I'm thinking, at least from my perspective, I grew up in a very nice community with a very good public school, and I didn't get financial literacy either. So I'm sure that is lacking across the country in spades.
Yeah, well, first and foremost, thank you. Last Sunday was not fun, especially the way it ended. But more importantly, and something that I've always focused on since I was a kid, really not knowing it, and my mom and my dad teaching me great lessons, was financial literacy. And my wife and I joined together to build not only our family foundation, but finding ways to empower other kids, our youth in our communities that we're a part of, and really across the country, which we've been able to do with a great partner in Intuit, and be able to create financial literacy. I didn't have the opportunity to learn it in school. I just learned the lessons from my mom being a teacher, and then my dad being an engineer. He taught me different lessons as I grew up, and wanting different things and knowing I had to work for it and how to budget and manage all these particular pieces. So it's something that I pride myself on, and it's something that our youth is going to be a part of their lives, no matter what they want to do and what they want to accomplish in life. So financial literacy is going to be a big component in their life.
Anybody who follows your Twitter, Ndamukong, knows that you are plugged in. You follow the markets. You're involved, truly. And so I'm wondering, what about investing do you like? What kind of investing do you like the most? Do you like stock trading? Do you like you're in all sorts of different things at this point?
Yeah, I'm in a tremendous amount of things. My biggest focus has always been real estate. So focus pretty heavily on that, just having a development company, working with my partners and just different banks and different folks that we have to develop these different assets that we want to create, not only from the market of multifamily market rate, but also looking at the opportunity to help with affordable housing, which is something that should be afforded to everybody in this particular world. When it comes to what I really, really enjoy, to answer your question directly, I love being able to work with Andreessen Horowitz or the General Atlantics of the world, being able to see all these cool, innovative deals that come across their table and have these different particular relationships with them, and then be able to dive into special companies like Ember Technology, or be able to work with a great mentor of mine in Jay Brown at MVP, Marcy Venture Partners. So just being able to have those strong relationships. And I learned early on in my life that relationships are everything in this world, and being able to connect people and be able to work with them to better off not only their companies, but them as people as well.
Big Suh, number 93, retired at Nebraska. You were there for 4 years. Important part of your life. You also got a chance to meet Warren Buffett during that time, and you've developed quite a relationship. Speak to how important and what you've learned from him over the years.
Mr. Buffett is great. He's one of my biggest mentors. We got to know each other as soon as I left school, but really met him when I was at school, but built a relationship as I was leaving. But probably my biggest relationship with him is just learning how to be patient, understanding always be prepared, be focused on the things that you encounter and that you want to have that particular drive for, and really just work with good people. If you notice in his conglomerate that he has, it's all about amazing people that not only work within his holding company office, but then also all the different people that run his companies. They're all great people.
And Ndamukong, last quick question. We've been showing a picture of you and Warren Buffett arm wrestling. Who won?
Mr. Buffett won. We've wrestled a couple times. We've done it for some charity events and whatnot, but I try not to take it out on him. I usually just keep that to the football field.
Right. We hope you'll come back to Fast Money again soon. Great to speak with you. Thank you.
I definitely look forward to it. Hopefully we can get it in person sometime soon.
Come on in studio, Ndamukong. You're always welcome. Thanks.
Thank you.
Ndamukong Suh. What a great cause, right? Financial literacy, so important.
What a true leader, both on the field and off the field. And I'm betting in the locker room amongst his peers. And again, financial literacy among professional athletes is something that really has come a long way. It's fantastic.
Yeah. Jeff, as an Eagles fan, I call on you because I think you could relate to what Ndamukong is saying on many levels.
No doubt about it. And obviously the Super Bowl was disappointing, but what a season. Obviously talk about my daughter, what a big Eagles fan she is. And we had such a blast at the games, lifelong memories. So thank you to him. Thank you to the entire team. But in terms of what he's doing, I mean, it's absolutely critical. I think for one reason, you don't get it in school. You know, even the quote unquote better schools, oftentimes financial literacy is not a focus. And I think now with the technology available, you know, even opening a Robinhood account for one of your kids and putting $50 in there and talking to them about the companies they know and understand and maybe where they want to put some money, I just think it's a great way to teach that next generation. And the technology now to enable that is fantastic.
If you're not in the business, you have to find a mentor. If you are in the business, you should be a mentor. We've been doing a stock market game, brought fifth graders down to the floor of the exchange, 35 fifth graders, follow up when they're in eighth grade, follow up when they're seniors, and they would never know where Wall Street was because they didn't have a parent that worked on the street. So it's incumbent upon all of us to bring those people into the circle. I didn't have a father that worked on Wall Street. I found it on my own.